What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be installing underglow on my car, and I actually already have underglow on it, but it broke and it won't change the colors, so I'm going to be replacing that today. Alright, I think I have everything torn out of the car now to take the underglow out, so I'm going to start ripping them off. See, this one was already hanging here. Alright, I got all of the LED strips out, and I'm going to show you the new set I got. They're the same ones as the old ones I got. They're pretty cheap, so these were only like 30 bucks or something. I'll put the link in the description. 4 LED strips, 2 are shorter than the others to go on the front and the back, and the 2 long ones go on the side. And here's the controller thing that you change the colors with. Now I already have the power wire wired up and all the holes drilled, so that makes it way easier for me. You should probably also turn it on just in case to make sure it works. So I didn't fully take out this one that goes to the back because I taped the new one that goes under the carpet, so I wouldn't have to take the seats out. So I'm just gonna pull on this. So now that I got the new one all the way through right here, I'm gonna pull the old one out. Alright, I got the whole old one out. Now to continue to putting the new one in. I'm gonna run most of this stuff through the actual factory wiring harness just so it looks better. You wanna know exactly where you want it, and so you don't see the LEDs because that's not gonna look very good. And also, if you're gonna put some on the front, then you wanna make sure you don't see the LEDs, because if you don't do white, then that's illegal. Where you're gonna put it at, you wanna clean that down, wire brush it, and then wipe all that stuff off. Okay, so now I'm wire brushing this stuff, so I know it's clean. Wire brushed it, I'm just gonna wipe down the stuff with cleaner. First one on. Once you put it on, you wanna make sure that you push down on every single part as hard as you can, so it stays stuck to it. So I could tell I was this much far away from this bolt, and on this side I was almost exactly the same, so I knew that it was centered across the whole car. You could put a grommet in the wire just in case, so dirt and stuff doesn't get in. Hole before the end of the LED strip, then you could put a zip tie right there to hold the wire just in case, like I did. Alright, so I wired all the LED strips and I glued them all on, so now I'm going to put everything back together. Alright, I'm all done, and I'll show you the final product once it gets dark. This underglow kit also has a feature that changes with the music, with the beat. So here's the final result. You can see all the underglow on all sides, so I think it looks pretty good, and you can't see any of the LEDs, so I think it turned out pretty good. If you'd like to see more of this car, then subscribe to my channel and get the bell on, and if you enjoyed this video, then like the video.